she got upset. She went and she said, and so forth. And yeah, it was going down. And then she was just saying all sorts of stuff. And screenshots and stuff were just blowing. And she leaked my number. And I was like, actually, you know what? Like, I left it alone for the first day. Yeah. But the next day when I woke up, I was like, actually, ma'am,
Hi, Seemah.
hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
You were just telling us that you don't know what's happening here.
Yes, I am very confused. Like, what is going on? Because I thought we're here to groove. Like, what is happening? And I see people sitting until we're here for a comedy show. And I'm like, what? Okay, but I guess let's do it, I guess.
I actually thought you were here to perform because I know you're a dancer, so you also have songs.
That would have been great, but I just came here for vibes. Like, I'm not even dressed for what is happening.
Yeah.
I'm just here for vibes.
Exactly.
So, wow. Yeah, okay.
You're here to support.
Get the memo.
Yeah, you're here to support MacG.
Yes.
So you guys have a new show on the MacG podcast, the platform actually. So what is it about actually? Because I couldn't really go through it.
It's just basically us being the voice of Gen Zs, you know, because there are things that they want to speak about, but they get shut out. So we have a bigger platform to do that for them. You know, we are their voice. So they would say things like, oh, why are we treated like this, da 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 da, but they don't really get like straight answers. At least with us, we talk about these things openly. So, and yeah, that's just basically it. And we just have fun on the show, bring guests that we've always wanted to see, people that have never been interviewed, you know. So I think that's what we are. We are plugging people basically.
How many are you guys? You guys are three
of us. Yes.
Yeah, it's yourself and
Zile and Yanda.
Yeah, who's the most toxic? Is it you? I'm sure it's you.
It's me.
I'm sure it's you.
It's me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why are you so toxic? I've been like,
I am not toxic. I just speak my mind.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm just authentic like that. I just speak my mind. You know, have fun with it.
You don't care. You just.
I genuinely don't care.
Yeah. So can I ask you a crazy question right now? Because I know that you actually here to have fun. So I'm just gonna take you a little bit back. If you bump into Ghost here, what would you do?
Fair.
Are you serious?
Yes. I don't have a problem with him.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, it's just, hi, how are you? Good. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Deuces, have fun.
Yeah.
Have a great night.
So a lot of people think that you are actually famous because of Ghost. Do you agree with that?
No. I had a bigger platform than he did. But he was more consistent on YouTube and I was more consistent on TikTok. So people just knew me as a TikToker, you know, and my Instagram blew up because when we started everything, his was higher than mine. His numbers were higher than mine until we started dating. Then that's when my numbers shot through the roof. And at the same time on TikTok, I was doing great numbers. On YouTube, he was doing great numbers. So everything just joined together. It was explosive, like it was crazy.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So a lot of people think that you guys were Ghost employees.
Yes, we are. We are. I feel like, you know.
Were you getting Were you getting some sort of a monthly check? But he was making a lot of money on YouTube. He was
making a lot of money, but I mean, we go out together. He buys dinners, you know, buys me a phone, does all sorts of stuff. So I guess I had my fair share, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, besi sebenza lapha yana shame. Bekumsebenzi.
So
time.
So I know for a fact that you don't follow Ghost a lot. I'm sure he follows you, right? So he has a new somebody. So when you look at that somebody, do you think that marala long and palalo?
No, I'm not intimidated by her, you know? Yes, like I watch, like there are times where I'd bump into their content and I just watch the whole video and I don't feel anything.
Yeah.
You know? It's not like, he got such a small mondia. No, it's like, okay, it's a girl, okay, what must happen now?
Yeah.
And I swipe up and I'm out, you know?
But do you think what happened to you, it's gonna happen to her as well?
Already happening.
How?
He's already starting to prank her, you know? It's like a cycle. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like a cycle because I can see even like the content that he is making. Because I mean, I bump into his content on YouTube, you know. So, I see that he's pranking him by calling the girl with his ex's name, which is me, you know, which is what he did with the other ex, Mommy Dearest, when I was in the picture. So Jay, it's like a whole cycle. And him, and the other video that he made, I think, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's already happening. Things already happening.
So you and Cyan basically were best friends. We had you guys on the Venting podcast.
Not best friends.
So you guys were just friends. So we had the both of you on the Venting podcast with Gogo Skoteni. Something happened which you guys ended up trending. Who started what? Because I think it was, I'm not sure, it was you who updated a story on Insta. Was it her or was it you?
She posted something, right? And I just mized it, you know, because apparently she saw the podcast, right? And she got mad because of the things that I said, you know, and I didn't even say much. I just literally said, she's a moody person. I think that's maybe what triggered her or upset her, you know, so she got upset. She went and she said, and so forth. And it was going down. And then she was just saying all sorts of stuff. And screenshots and stuff were just blowing, and she leaked my number, and I was like, actually, you know what? Like, I left it alone for the first day. But the next day when I woke up, I was like, actually, ma'am, you know, pegwa.
So you guys have never spoke ever since then?
No, she tried to speak to me because I blocked her, right? And I used my friend's account to text her, and I was like, dude, stop this shit. Like, please, lose me. Like, and then she's like, oh, actually, can you please link up, you know? Now I see your true colors. I'm so sorry for you know? And I was just like, bro, like, shut up. I'm not gonna link with you. You stab me and kill me. And Pella, that girl's not afraid to go to jail. So, you know? I was like, nope, for my safety, I'm not gonna meet with this girl. I'm good. Just told her to get off. And that was that.
So do you think at some point you guys are gonna link up and sort out this beef, or is it a Caspania vest and an AKA beef?
Till today, I still don't have a problem with that girl. Even after what happened, I genuinely don't have, or what, but I still don't have a problem with her. If I'd link up with her or see her anywhere, I'll still probably greet her. You know, I don't know about her, but yeah.
That's
it's just
crazy.
one of those.
But anyway, we're just here to have fun.
Yes.
I'm happy you're here. We're just here to have fun, basically. Who are you hoping to see?
You know, I'm very clueless with this event.
Wait, sorry. Are you here with the...
No.
Okay.
I'm just here for, like, with my people.
Okay.
Yeah, my colleagues.
All right.
My friends now.
Yeah. So who are you hoping to see?
Apparently, Kapsa the Small is coming. Okay. So that would be dope, you know. I don't know who else is coming. I'll just be surprised, I guess.
Yeah. All right, cool. Now, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
I appreciate it. Sure.
Thank you so much.